Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk through, step by step, how to find all the shared files in any group on the Telegram app for PC. With the latest update, Telegram has made it even easier to locate media, links, and files shared in your groups. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Once it's open, take a look at your chat list on the left side of the screen. Find the group you want to explore. This could be a work group, a study channel, or just a place where your friends share content. Click on the group to open it. Now that you're inside the group chat, direct your attention to the top of the window where you'll see the group's name and profile thumbnail. Click right on the group's name. This will open the group's information panel, which is where all the details about the group are stored, like members, media, and settings. Inside the group info window, you'll see several tabs or sections, depending on your Telegram version. Look for the section labeled Files. Click on it. Instantly, Telegram will show you every file that has ever been shared in that group. You can scroll through the list, search within the files, or even sort them depending on your preferences. It's an excellent way to find documents, PDFs, or any important attachments without having to scroll endlessly through old messages. If you only need images, videos, or links, you can switch to those specific sections just above files. Telegram keeps everything well organized, so you can easily jump between types of shared content. This organization helps you recover older materials, download them again, or delete ones you no longer need. And that's all it takes. In just a few clicks, you can access every shared file in any group on Telegram for PC. This small but powerful feature is a huge time saver, especially in active groups where files are constantly shared. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to explore other Telegram tips to get the most out of the app's new updates.